Hello, my name is Luke Berry from the Coca-Cola station in Katy, Texas. Tonight's production is about gravity. If you didn't know already, here's some basic facts about gravity. Gravity is a force pulling together all matter. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between any two objects. There is a force of gravity between the sun and the earth, between the earth and us, and even between two marbles. Projectiles, satellites, planets, galaxies, and clusters of galaxies are all influenced by gravity. Gravity is the weakest of the four known forces of nature, yet the most dominant force. Even though it's the weakest force, gravity holds together the entire solar system and galaxies. Gravity pulls you toward the center of the earth and keeps you from drifting to the ceiling. The effect of gravity falls rapidly as the distance increases between two objects. The force of attraction between you and the earth is your weight. Gravity determines the escape speed for an object like a rocket. The stronger the gravitational pull of an object, the larger the escape speed. Objects with mass are attracted to each other. This is known as gravity. Gravity keeps Earth and other planets in our solar system in orbit around the sun. It also keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth. Tides are caused by the rotation of the Earth and the gravitational effects of the moon and the sun. The discovery of gravity. It is thought that Isaac Newton's theory on gravity was inspired by seeing an apple fall from a tree. Sir Isaac Newton was a mathematician that lived from 1642 to 1727. He realized that some forces must be acting on falling objects or they would not start moving. He realized that the moon would fly away from the earth if some force was not causing it to fall toward the earth. Newton called this force gravity. The human body. Fun gravity facts. The human body can handle increased G-forces as seen in activities such as dragster races, airplane acrobatics, and space training. The highest known acceleration voluntarily experienced by humans is 46.2 Gs by G-force pioneer John Stapp. Because Mars has a lower gravity than Earth, a person weighing 220 pounds on Earth would only weigh 84 pounds on Mars. Incidentally, Deimos, one of the two moons of Mars, is so small, and consequently has such weak gravity that if you were standing on it and you jumped hard, you could easily achieve an escape velocity and never land back down on the ground. While Formula 1 racing drivers may feel around 5 Gs under heavy braking, they can experience over 100 Gs if a crash causes them to decelerate extremely quickly over a very short distance. Some roller coasters have been known to include G-forces of around 4 to 6 Gs. There is gravitational attraction between two marbles, but we don't notice it because the force between each of the marbles and the Earth is so much greater. A person who weighs 100 pounds on the Earth would weigh only 70 pounds standing on the same scale of the moon. There are no known anti-gravity devices. But the effects of gravity can be concealed by a free-for-all or placing objects in orbit. One brave middle school student wanted to try to affect gravity. Let's go live to Grant right now. He's over there.